business area. I guess they'll print it out for you if you want to. Only see a computer, no printer. They got some brochures, local stuff here. Some rather nice photography. Very nice. Breakfast area, it's huge. It's really big. Wow. Okay. Front desk. Brochures here. We're in a golf and beach. Some meeting rooms, but it's hard for me to get in there to see them, so if you're interested in coming here. Okay. Best Western, Palm Coast, Florida. Off, I think it was exit 2. I forgot. I'm gonna look. You got the disc. Yeah, some universal machines here. Elliptical. The sitting bike. 2 treadmills and a ball. I don't see free weights, but I guess this is the workout room. Okay, sanitize it before or after each use. Do they have anything for you to sanitize it with? Yes, they have that. They got a scale, which I'm not getting on. They don't have free weights, but they have the bands here. And the water worked. No towels, but maybe they come later. Okay, fitness center. I'll go get one. Yeah, somebody did this for this hotel. This is not your typical. Here's your elevator if you were on the other floors. Yeah, look at all the signs here. Oh, ice machine, towels for the bottled water filler upper here, and this is the, oh, it's an outdoor pool, and little gazebo over there. Nice pool, and it's clean. Okay, we have a brown motif. Actually, I kind of like that mirror. It's a nice mirror. Looks like they've upgraded this in the past few years, so it's pretty nice. They have the little teeny tiny bottles, and okay, here's the soap. That's good. This looks pretty clean, a little old. Paint was peeling. I think they tried to fix it, but no mold, so we're good. Okay. So this is supposed to be a Best Western Plus. Here's that same carpet. Okay, you know how it happens when you get into where the lights. Here's one. Okay, I probably won't sleep near the window. Although honestly, we're not really off the high. The highway is like way over there. So it's a secluded type of area. So I'm going to close the curtains right away. The nighttime ones. Anyway, okay. Interesting lamp. Okay. I don't know how to put it on. I'm trying to press. Okay, I'm going to figure this out. Coffee maker. Guest directory, lovely photos, as I said, a traditional microwave, and hold on, let's get some light there. And the next size up refrigerator, it's plugged in, ready to go. I'll bring my stuff in, microwave. And your dresser here. I don't see, oh, okay. We have a closet, traditional luggage rack. You know me, taking that. Your ironing board, and your hangers. It's a platform bed, but that's okay because you have a closet. If you need to store your luggage, you can store it right there, or you can store it there. So that's not so bad. Okay, let me fix these curtains so I can. Oh, the curtains are long. Okay. Okay, well, that's okay. That's fine. I think the temperature control is here. Yes, it is. So temperature control is here. And sockets there. Of course, on the lamp there. And sockets there. So here's the wide view here. There's 2 queen beds, I believe. And they even have a mat for the tub. And then you have your hair dryer. Well, that's interesting. Yeah, they upgraded the tub. They probably didn't take out, and they tried to probably resurface, because this, I'm sure, is not original. Everything else is nice and clean and tidy. And they do touch up with the paints. It could touch up a little bit, but you know, people come and go. Maintenance probably will come through here. But I'm okay. Bed looks good. Before I did that, I looked and double checked. Make sure there was nothing in the seams, no bed bugs. And I'm working on this lamp. I just can't. I don't see. It's plugged in. It doesn't go up and down. I thought it was touch control. All right. I'm going to have to ask at the front desk. This is very interesting. All right. So that's the room here. Breakfast area. It's huge. It's really big. Wow. Okay. Front desk. Put the menu for breakfast. Cool. They got luggage racks for you. Then it's parking over there and parking over here. So EV charging facility here. That is nice. I'm on the first floor. They have 3. They really tried to impress with the pool area. It's in the back of the hotel. The parking lot goes all the way around the hotel, so if you're the type that likes to park where your room is, then you can keep an eye on your car. If you're one of those people, knock yourself out. Figured out I got it on, now I can't. There it goes. For some reason, it would only work a certain way. It was a cute lamp, though. Nice area here near the Best Western. The Hampton Inn and Suites is next door. Just you know what they say about water in Florida. But look at the lilies. The water lilies. Nice. Best Western Plus in Palm Coast, Florida. That's about it.